What up? It's Justin Ceiling Fans 2006 here. Today this is Harbor Breeze Springfield II Ceiling Fan 202. This is in my aunt's room, but it's my room this time because I am sleeping here. So, yeah. I'm gonna start. This is with yes, I have it in the dark right now just to see. Here it is on. Anyways, here is low speed. I'm gonna tell you this fan does wobble. I don't know if it still does. I'm pretty sure it still does. Yeah, it does a little. Think I'm gonna balance it. I'm gonna see if I could balance it on this trip. I'm here for like 12 days at most. Yeah, it's wobbling. The other Springfield II wobbled a bit. This is the wobbliest one in the house, but I mean, he was medium. That's it on a medium. Now we're going on the high, the wobbliest it's at. I don't know what that was, but we're gonna ignore that. And excuse me. Here it is, high speed. It does wobble a little bit. Jeez. Oh crap. I gotta turn this off. No, that's the lights are. It does blow. Nice bit of air, but gotta turn it off. Okay. Oh. Nope, that's medium. Guess we'll see medium again, shall we? I like this fan. I love the design they do on it. Like, it's just. This is low, which we've already did low, so I'm gonna do it again. And here it is off. Okay, it's slowing down. I'm actually gonna stop it. Cause, okay. And the other fans in the house, I didn't show the top of the flame arms because I didn't think of it. But here's the top. Can't tell if you can see. This is top of one of them. I can reach it as high as it goes, so I can't do it any higher. Anyways, that is it's for the Springfield II. The Hubby, it'd be 52-inch Hubby Springfield II something. And it's good that we have this in here because I like having a fan in bedrooms I sleep in. Because before this there wasn't a fan in here. Because both of the Springfields replaced light fixtures, like I said, just in case if no one's seen my ceiling fans at my grandparents' house video yet. But anyways, well, yeah, that's all I have to say. Anyways, see y'all in the next video.